What is going on, guys? It is Joe, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, really a brand new series here on my channel. We are currently about 16 weeks out from our first show, our first men's physique show on June 19th. It's going to be a whole series on my channel over the next 15 to 16 weeks, showing how I'm eating, how I'm training, how I'm feeling, and I'm going to be trying to showcase a lot of different variety of foods that are low calorie that you can use in your day-to-day as well to help you get nice and lean for summer. So just like other areas in my life, I'm gonna make this intro very, very quick. I have things to do, people to see, errands to run, the whole thing. So usually in the mornings I am very, very busy. So my first thing that I will put into my mouth, really just a Quest bar that I put in the freezer to make it harder to eat so I don't eat it as quick. And then some morning caffeine, which is gonna be a rain. First meal is gonna be roughly 210 calories. I chose the Quest bar over other protein bars just because it's low in calories, it's high in protein, and it's really high fiber as well. So that fiber keeps me full, satisfied up until my next meal. But I have to go right now. I'm gonna munch on this, and I will see you guys in the first actual meal of the day. Alrighty, and we are back here with meal number 2. We got 6 slices of French toast. Needed 2 plates for it because it's just that big, that yummy, that delicious. We also have here some blueberry syrup by Walden Farms. This stuff is probably my favorite low-calorie syrup. Besides Miss Buttersworth, this is just absolutely fantastic. I've said this story previously about this syrup specifically on my channel, but with my ex-girlfriend at the store, I saw this syrup and I was like, that looks fantastic. We gotta get it. And she was like, no, the regular pancake syrup is the best. That's disgusting. And you know what? She couldn't have been more wrong in her entire life because this is delicious. So we have 6 slices of blueberry French toast. Got ourselves a little cup of joe, some water, and lastly, an omega-3 for our overall health. So with our Quest bar, that rain, this French toast right here, we're looking at 83 grams of protein, 119 grams of carbs, 22 fiber, and 14 fat. This is usually my second overall meal of the day. Total is gonna be 916 calories. I'm trying to shoot for 2,400 calories a day. That for me is a big enough deficit to burn fat, but yet enough to kind of keep me full, satisfied, and maintain as much muscle as possible, even possibly build muscle while being in a calorie deficit, because you can do that. You're allowed to build muscle while being in a calorie deficit. You don't have to bulk, but I digress. Let's give this a taste test. That is good. Okay. Listen, I don't really know too many other people that are eating French toast on prep, okay? This right here is so much better than egg whites and oatmeal. We have blueberries in there to get our micronutrients. I try to make it a point to either include a fruit or a vegetable as much as I possibly can. This is absolutely delicious. Again, fun foods that you can eat to get lean. They're low calorie. You don't have to eat a boring diet. I'm doing this even while on prep for a show. So I'm going to eat this pretty much through my entire prep. I'm not going to ever eat egg whites, oatmeal. I will not eat one chicken and rice meal on this entire prep. I can promise you that. Maybe peak week that might change, but for the majority, 95% of my prep, I will not be eating chicken and rice. You will not see me eat chicken and rice on this prep. I repeat that, and I will say that again. It's just so good, man. It's just so f***ing good. Alrighty, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Last bite, best bite of this meal. Jesse James West saying they're gonna quote that. Don't want to get in trouble for plagiarism. Oh, see that piece right there? You drop on the table. So that meal right there was an overall 10 out of 10. Just because I'm going to be eating majority of the same thing every day, I will switch up my foods. You know, one day I might have a salad. One day I might have some tacos. Another day I might have Chick-fil-A. You know, it's whatever fits my overall caloric intake. By the way, my overall caloric intake for this prep is going to be around 2,400 calories. I think I said that earlier. Did I not? I don't recall. We'll probably keep very, very consistent on this prep. You're going to see a lot of French toast. You're going to see a lot of popcorn. You're going to see a lot of pizza. You'll probably see a lot of ice cream. I'm going to try my best to just mix it up as much as I possibly can to just show you the different varieties of foods that you're allowed to eat while getting nice and lean. So you're not stuck eating the same boring thing over and over again. The overall goal of this is just grow this channel as much as possible. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. By the way, if you're watching so far and you're new and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also hit that like button. But the other part of this prep is to also just like educate and show the different varieties of foods that you're allowed to eat, trying to get in shape and trying to get lean so that way you can be as consistent as possible. And that is really what I want to try and advocate the most on this series and on this channel. I don't care about going to a show and winning the show. I care about just creating great content where people can enjoy it, implement some of the things that I'm talking about in their day-to-day life. The show is just a way for me to really just be consistent with creating more content. I want to try and have an upload schedule of Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, at least 2 videos a week. I was currently uploading like once a week. I would like to try and go 2 to 3. 3 might be a lot, but I would like to go at least Tuesday and Thursday for videos, and hopefully Sunday for a video as well. It's going to take a lot of editing and a lot of focus, but I really think we can do it. If you're watching so far, let me know how the quality of this video is down in the comments or something like that. I did invest and decide to cop myself a camera. Let me just show you. Alrighty, so here it is, baby. This is the Sony Alpha 6400. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the same mic that we used to when we were recording all of our videos on the phone, and the same tripod. I like to upgrade those 2 things as well eventually. But we did get a camera, so hopefully the quality is a little bit better. I don't know until I actually put it in the editing program and give it a shot. But yeah, we're gonna be creating some sick content, dude. Alrighty, and we are back here with the next meal of the day, and what we have here is nothing short of remarkable. That is going to be an anabolic protein pizza, and accompanying with the pizza is not 1 but 2 Diet Cokes as well. So what we have on this pizza is pizza sauce, Joseph lavash bread, reduced fat, not fat-free mozzarella. I would usually use fat-free mozzarella, but we didn't have any, so desperate times call for desperate measures. It's still reduced fat, so it's a little bit lower in calorie. Some turkey pepperoni, and then some smart bacon, which is just going to be like some vegan bacon, which is a lot lower in calorie than regular bacon, and it just adds a little bit more flavor to the overall dish. We also have some spinach on top, get some micronutrients, some onions, and some bell peppers. Again, trying to make it an effort to get some type of fruit or vegetable within every meal. Overall calories for this meal is 430 calories for the entire pizza. And then for those of you that care about macros, overall macros is 129 grams of protein, 147 grams of carb, and then 33 grams of fat for the entire day. Also 28 grams of fiber as well. It usually comes to these pizzas, they're kind of overwhelming, so I just kind of just roll the bad boy up into like a pizza burrito and just kind of eat it that way. Now, I also say those of you that care about macros, because personally, even when I'm on prep, I don't really care all that much about macros. I just mean in the calorie deficit. That's what we're advocating here. Gonna give this a taste test right here. There's just something about this protein pizza that is absolutely delicious. I'm really going to eat this every single day of prep. It's low calorie, it's high protein, it tastes phenomenal. It satisfies my craving of a regular pizza. The only thing is that obviously this is like a thin crust, but I don't mind it at all. I mean, if you want a thicker crust, you can definitely find that to make a protein pizza. Superset in some Diet Coke as well. Overall in this prep, not worried about artificial sweeteners either. No calories, no problem. Although there is probably like 1 or 2 calories in here. It's just so low they actually just round down to 0. Throughout the week, I've been eating this protein pizza, and I've also been eating it with a bag of popcorn as well. Today, I held off on the popcorn because I'm going to make a little bit of a bigger dinner later, which you guys will see in the next meal. But I'm going to go ahead and eat this, enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next clip. I don't know if it's going to be working out or a meal, but one of the 2 is coming. Alrighty, so we are currently just chilling here, sipping on some pre-workout right before the gym. Gonna be hitting a leg and bicep workout today. I did change my split around a little bit for this prep. So what I would usually do is push, pull, and then leg and biceps. And I'll actually repeat that split twice throughout the entire week. I didn't really change my split. I more just reorganized it a little bit. I'm still doing my push, my pull, and then my legs and biceps. But instead of resting on the 7th day, what I'm going to be doing is going 3 days in a row, 1 day off, 3 days in a row. I feel like I'll get much more out of my workouts because I'll have that one break in the middle rather than towards the end of the week. I just want to feel a little bit more recovered as I go into my second push day throughout the week by having that one rest day in between. So that's kind of what I'm doing for my split. The entire workout will be in the description down below. Feel free to give it a shot, but I'm going to go ahead and sip on this pre. Just only have pre-workout and BCAAs in this cup. It's a little unfortunate. I'm actually currently taking Accutane right now, which is going to be an acne medication. I deal with some cystic bullshit under my skin that just doesn't want to fucking leave. One thing you cannot take while you're on Accutane is actually creatine, creatine monohydrate, alkaline creatine, creatine HCl. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter how it makes you feel.
My doctor just said to completely stay away from it. I'm going to listen to my doctor. They're the ones that I'm under supervision for this entire thing. They handle all of my blood work. They do all that stuff. So I'm just going to listen to everything they tell me to do. But keeping it simple when it comes to the overall pre-workout, just BCAAs and pre. Get me going a little bit, get me amped for this leg and bicep day. So I will see you guys at the gym. Just wrapped up a leg and bicep workout. Now about to hit some cardio. I was gonna do the cardio at the gym, but somebody got hungry. So somebody decided to want to get some In-N-Out. He's actually popping his 3x3 virginity card with In-N-Out. He usually eats like a small boy, but today he's eating like a big man, so. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some cardio on this nice lovely Peloton right here. About 25 minutes of post-workout cardio and then an optional walk on my rest day, but have to finish this up and then I will see you guys in the next meal. Alrighty guys, welcome back. Obviously not in my kitchen. We are in my room because the kitchen is right next to my parents' room and my mom's asleep right now, so I don't want to talk loud and wake her up. But we are going to go downstairs and do some cooking. I'll go downstairs, we're going to make a Maxx Chewning special. It is going to be steak fajitas and a mango margarita. This mango margarita is not going to have any alcohol in it because I am on Accutane and my doctor specifically told me not to have any alcohol, so make this alcohol free. But if you do drink alcohol, 1 to 2 shots of tequila at the end of the day is not that high in calories. So if you want one of these drinks with your steak fajitas, by all means drink a mango margarita. You can still drink alcohol while trying to get lean, while trying to get in shape. It's all about being in a calorie deficit. It's just when you go out on the weekends and get completely plastered where it screws you over. So don't do that, but let's get to cooking and I will see you guys when we munch. Alrighty, so here we are with the steak fajita and a mango margarita right here. Again, no alcohol on this guy whatsoever, but let's give these fajitas a taste test right here. Oh yeah. bell peppers, cauliflower rice, organic ribeye, refried beans, and then carb balance mission tortilla. Now, for the star of the show here, give this mango margarita a taste test. Oh. I just orgasmed for the first time. This is delicious. Oh my goodness gracious. Full recipe for both of these things will be in the description down below. This by far is one of my most creative and just best tasting low calorie dishes I have ever made. By far. By the way, this is only one steak fajita. You can have up to 3 of these. The full calories for this thing will be for 3 steak fajitas. This is going to be just one of them. I didn't take the time to actually make all 3, just to have one to showcase on the camera. I am going to go eat the rest of them in a minute. Last bite, best bite for the boys. We'll get some more. Be right back.
Alrighty guys, just laying here right now, getting ready for bed. In a couple minutes after I had those fajitas and mango margarita. Full recipe again will be down in the description. Give that bad boy a shot. You will not regret it. Overall macros for the entire day: 207 grams of protein, 291 grams of carbs, 60 grams of fat, and then 88 grams of fiber. Those mission carb balance tortillas really jacked up my fiber count, which I am not angry about. Leaves me full, leaves me satisfied, leaves me regular. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Welcome to episode 1 of this series. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this series, as far as like summer shredding, road to first show. I don't know. I'll just figure it out along the way. But I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you all enjoy that recipe. Plan to keep on continuing to make cool, fun food ideas and show you exactly all the different variety of foods you're allowed to eat, especially while trying to get lean. If I can do it, getting ready for a show, you can do it to get healthier. You guys can do me a favor, leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new. We are trying to chase 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would greatly appreciate it. Plug in all my social media all over the place in the description, on the screen at some point in the video. Follow me on Instagram. I'm mainly active on there. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out, get ready for tomorrow. Leave a like, subscribe. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.